What's up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Tony of Loveland, Colorado. I have hail damage on the front, but not the rear. How does hail miss half a roof? Is it possible? It's possible. The adjuster said no hail in that storm, but looked it up online and it was described as a widespread to 2/3 of our state. City of the east and west had hail, but I didn't. Two of my neighbors got entire new roofs with less damage and from two different insurance companies. Told the adjuster supervisor how dissatisfied I was, and all I got was, "I'm sorry," and send photos to them and she would look. From a company, you can't tell age and pliability of shingles from a photo from a phone. I guess that means no. I expected better service from a company as large as this insurance company. They are good when you start a policy, but difficult to work with when you need them. This is the deal. I hear this all the time. The sales rep, the insurance agent, is very nice. They're your neighbors, they're your friends, they're your family. They are very nice people. And they, in my experience, they are trying to do the best they can with you, right? They're trying to do the best they can for you. And then the claims department gets involved. And the claims department's job is to save money. Insurance agent's job is to make money. So they bring in the cash flow in regards to your premiums, and the claims department is like, oh, hey, I don't know if we need to pay for all that, right? Even though it's described in the policy that they owe for it. And that's what we do. We just basically show the insurance company, hey, look, you guys aren't paying a legitimate claim. Here is the damage. We prove it. What say you, insurance company? And we get a lot of times the insurance company be like, hey, you're right. We need to pay that. Sometimes they'll fight us a little bit, but then they pay it. Sometimes they fight us a lot and then they pay it, right? Our success rate is over 92% of getting claims increased from what the insurance company originally offered. And our average increase is over 900%. 9 times the amount that the insurance company initially offered you. How is that possible, you're asking, right? Well, it's because the insurance company conveniently forgets all the stuff that's needed, or the person that's doing the estimate or the person that's doing the inspection isn't qualified or doesn't have the experience, and they miss things. So we just go up there, like if you took an average inspection from an insurance company adjuster on your roof or an independent insurance adjuster that still works for the insurance company on your roof, they'd be on your roof for probably 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We're on your roof for an hour, and then around your property, all around your property. So most of our inspections take over an hour for a residential property, and multiple 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 hours on a commercial property, okay? And I guarantee an insurance adjuster isn't spending 4 hours on a commercial property, okay? Unless it's huge, but most insurance adjusters have 60, 70. I've heard of one guy having 161 claims at the same time that he's working on. How is it even possible that you are getting stuff right? You're not, right? So we just step back, kind of put everything on pause, do our protocol with our 56-point inspection on commercial properties, and we look for all types of damage that we can find, and then prove the damage, and then send those reports and things to the insurance carrier to get them to pay the claim. That is how the increase of 900% occurs, right? The damage is already there, somebody's missing it. The damage is already there, somebody's missing the method of repair, or the scope of work, or the correct pricing. Okay, and that's what we do. So contact us today if you have a commercial building, industrial, multifamily, residential property insurance claim that you're fighting and you're not making progress, or you need help to make the right progress. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.